Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into ESPN and opening your league page. If you are not the league manager, you cannot change the schedule, so confirm permissions now. Once on the league home, click League Settings, then the Schedule tab to view current matchups. You need to understand the existing format, number of weeks, matchup parity, and playoffs, because those parameters determine which changes are possible and which will force manual edits later. Now you edit matchups. Use the schedule editor to drag or swap teams between weeks, or select specific head-to-head slots and assign opponents. Make adjustments to bye weeks and playoff start week where the interface permits. Changing total regular season weeks affects playoff seeding, so be deliberate. Once done, save changes. If your league has draft-safe or transaction protections, make sure to toggle appropriate settings first to prevent unintended roster or scoring problems during the change. Finish by reviewing the updated schedule calendar and send an announcement so every manager sees the change. You want transparency to avoid disputes. Once satisfied, lock the schedule to prevent accidental edits and double-check playoff qualification rules after alterations. If you encounter errors, mismatched matchups, locked edits you cannot change, or saving failures, revert to the previous configuration immediately and, if needed, contact ESPN support. Often a quick rollback and reapply fixes timing or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.